Aquarius, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon and rising placements. Minsan, mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Aquarius. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you. For Aquarius, please. Messages for Aquarius. Okay. We have opportunity, new job opportunities, change of workplace or business trip. Change is coming just in time. Okay? May mga bagong opportunities na darating sa inyo. Change will come. Okay? Change in workplace, change of workplace. Okay? Merong travel. That's good news. Direction. Do not deviate from your path. Attract a mentor if necessary. Plan where you want to be. You need to have a direction, Aquarius, where you want to be, okay? You need to have a plan. You have to prepare yourself for the future. Celebration. Kick off the party activities and have a great time. Plan for a joyful future. So, merong celebration na mangyayari, Aquarius. A kick-off party. And have a great time, okay? You will soon have a great time. You will be very happy, Aquarius. Merong opportunities, new opportunities, job opportunities that will come to you. Change will come. Time for you to have a new direction. Okay, let us see what are the messages from the tarot for Aquarius, please. Aquarius. Okay, you've been thinking too much or you've been thinking negatively lately, Aquarius. Yeah, merong fears and insecurities kayong nararamdaman. You know, you feel that something is wrong, okay, in your environment or in your surroundings. You are thinking about a direction, okay, two directions, choices and options. You're thinking a lot about it, okay. Some of you involved sa mga unhealthy activities, okay? Or addictions, ano man yan, Aquarius, but you have the power to detach yourself from it, okay? Okay. Meron kayong mga pag-uusapan, okay, about your partnership, okay, plans and options. Merong pagkakaintindihan, pagkakaunawaan, kung anong direksyon or kung anong mangyayari, okay. Kung anong gusto ninyong mangyari. So, may mga plans, okay, pero kailangan mong pagplanuhin ng maayos, make some research, do the planning, review, study every option, okay? You need some time to rest, okay? So you can think clearly. You need to gain more strength, okay? Both physically and mentally. Aquarius, kailangan mo yan. For some of you, you are thinking how to reconcile with someone. You're thinking about a partnership. Okay. You've been through a lot. Embrace the change. Change will come to you, Aquarius. Okay? Something will improve. May mga improvement na mangyayari sa buhay ninyo. Kung meron kayong mga difficulties na pinagdaanan, okay, backstabbing, trust issues, okay, you will soon overcome it. Believe in yourself. Yeah. Okay. You're thinking about the change. If you need some guidance or help, okay, spiritually, believe that everything will be okay. May mga tao sa paligid ninyo na willing tutulong sa inyo, okay? They can give good advice. Yeah. New contracts will come. Okay? New job opportunity will come. May mga decisions kayo. May mga decision kayo na pinag-iisipan. You are weighing things. Okay? You're thinking about a lot of options. So, kailangan mo maging flexible. Manage your time well. Merong celebration na mangyayari. Okay? Joy and contentment in your family life. Okay? Happiness. For some of you, you will be receiving good news. Okay? Big money. Okay? New job, new contracts. Okay. Meron kayong mga pinag-iisipan. Okay. Kailangan mo mag-decide whether to go or not. Okay? You are dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Virgo, or Taurus. Okay? Yes, you've been through a lot. You will be receiving attention, okay, from someone na medyo nahirapan kayo makipag-deal with. A marriage, okay? You will be receiving or giving someone money. You will be paying some debts and loans, okay? You will have enough to do it. Okay. You need to take care of yourself, Aquarius. You've been through a lot. Pero you're still standing up, okay? You are still hopeful. Believe in yourself that everything will be okay. Kailangan mong alagaan ang iyong sarili. Keep the faith, Aquarius. Everything will be okay. May mga desisyon kang kailangan gawin about money, about time and attention, about your marriage. Okay? Medyo nahihirapan na kayo, but you're still moving on. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. You have a lot of love to give. Okay. So everything will be okay. New job opportunities will come to you, job offer, new contracts, okay, that will give you contentment and joy in your family life. You will be receiving money, okay, more than enough. You're thinking about allocation of your money, okay, you will be receiving money and giving it at the same time, okay. Let's see kung ano pa yung mga messages for you. Aquarius. Heals, obstacles to overcome. Okay. Sa bow. You are highly thought of. May mga taong iniisip ka, okay? Nag-aalala sa'yo. If you have, may mga challenges kayo or obstacles on your way, you will be able to overcome it. Table, hard work ahead, okay? November, some good things will come in the month of November. November will be the month na memorable sa inyo, or ito yung importante na month para sa inyo. Dog close-up, pleasure with a close friend, okay? We have fair man, dealings or a relationship with a man with blonde, gray, or white hair. Okay, for some of you, you will be communicating or with a fair man, maybe a foreigner, okay, with blonde or gray hair. Okay. So these are the messages for you, Aquarius. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.